In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to plan an incredible trip right from your browser. Whether you're dreaming of exploring the vibrant streets of Tokyo or savoring the delicious street food of Bangkok, ChatGPT can be your travel guide in planning the perfect getaway. To get started, fire up your web browser and navigate to http://chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This step will ensure you have full access to all the features. After you're logged in, you'll see the main interface with a panel on the left side. This is where you'll start organizing your travel plans. Locate the New Chat button on that panel and give it a click. This opens up a new conversation in which you can input your travel details. Next, you'll want to provide ChatGPT with the specifics of your trip. Think about the essentials. Where are you heading? What are your travel dates? How much are you willing to spend? What type of experiences are you hoping to have? For example, if you're planning a journey to Tokyo, Japan in April 2025, specify that. Let's say your budget is $1,500 and you're particularly interested in food, culture, and hiking. Input these details clearly. An example prompt you could use might be, plan a 7-day trip to Tokyo, Japan in April 2025, with a budget of $1,500 focusing on food, culture, and hiking. The more details you provide, the better ChatGPT can tailor a plan that suits your needs. Once your initial prompt is in place, your next step is to request a detailed daily itinerary. Communication is key. A simple prompt like, give me a detailed day-by-day itinerary for my Tokyo trip, including activities, estimated costs, and travel tips, will guide ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive plan for you. This will give you an overview of what you can expect each day, including key activities, potential costs, and handy tips to make the most of your experience. After you've reviewed the itinerary, take some time to refine it. ChatGPT can suggest alternative activities if you're looking for a change. Whether you desire something more affordable, want to add a touch of luxury, or need hidden gem recommendations, just ask. You might be interested in trying out some local restaurants, but unsure where to go. ChatGPT can provide those suggestions, ensuring your culinary experiences are top-notch. Finally, once you have a plan you're satisfied with, make it accessible and convenient for future reference. Copy the itinerary and paste it into a document on Google Docs, Word, or whatever note-taking app suits you best, like Notion. This ensures all the helpful information is on hand for when you're exploring your destination. And there you have it. With these simple steps, ChatGPT can help you create a travel itinerary that's both detailed and tailored to your interests. So go ahead, start creating that dream trip. Safe travels!